Hello Annapurna, you're like a sister from another mother and a heaven-sent gift for true. And all these years spending the sadness and all the dualities of life together from 2018 onwards has been incredible. And I'm looking forward for the rest of the years with you as a best friend, as a sister from another mother for you. It's been really great, and you getting married shows us hope for all of us in love, and looking at you and Shambhu gives me hope personally too. So all the best to you both.
വസന്തവുമായി തിരയും ഇതാ
I'm her sister. She has been the greatest sister I've ever got. She has been great support system. I'm really happy that she is marrying the love of her life. This feels like a dream, and I'm really happy for her. Congratulations.
स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र पवन स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र पवन स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे राम कल्याण वैभोगमे पावन स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र सीता அழகாய் உயர்ந்தாலினி சுகமாய் காணாத காற்றாய் தூவும் மழையாய் அழகான காதல் கடலாய் அழியாத முத்து மணியாய் முகிலே